The flow of the solar projects. The CRM dashboard shows the total prospects, new prospect count, subsidy amount, payment amount, total proposals, new proposals, total sale orders, total purchase orders, total invoices, total quotations, total customers, total inquiries, assigned sales executive, lead source, roof type, proposal expiry, prospect records, proposal report and pending invoice. And every dashboard will have the date formation of changing to this week, this month and this year, to display the dashboard specifically. The Inquiries tab, it shows the list of inquiries. By clicking New you can add the inquiry details and save it. Next, the prospect shows the list of records done, and by clicking New, the inquiry that was created will be connected to the prospect by giving these details. By clicking Subsidy Eligible the subsidy amount will be known and save it. Then, by clicking the records that were created, it shows the stages of prospect status, new, contacted, and by clicking Qualified, the status will be changed. Then, by clicking the top right button, Schedule Site Survey, the site survey will be scheduled in the activity area. After the survey finishes, click on the checkbox and click the Mark Prospect stage as completed to change the status. After the technical feasibility and proposal request, by clicking the top right button New Proposal, the proposal record will be created automatically. After that, by clicking the top right button Convert to Account, an account will be automatically created with the customer's name here itself. In the Prospect tab, the created proposal will be displayed. Select the converted prospect, click the pencil icon and give the details to fulfill the proposal details that will be sent to the customer, and save it. After that, the quotation will be made by clicking New and by giving the details. Once the quotation is approved, the invoice will be made by clicking New and giving the details and save it. In the Payment tab, the past payment records will be there, and by clicking New can add the payment details and save it. The accounts will show the list of customers, and by clicking the New and adding the details, a customer will be created. The Products tabs, it shows the list of products, and by clicking New you can add new products here. And the sale order for the sale of products is done in the company by clicking New and giving details, the sale order will be created. If any credit occurs, it will be added to the credit notes. In the project dashboards, you can change the date to week, month and year to view easily. It displays the new projects, total projects, new service requests, total service requests, AMC type, installation type, project with people report, AMC contracts report, complaints report, project records, installation report, service visits report, next month visit frequency and next month warranty expiry. In the Projects tab, it shows the list of projects. By clicking New give details of the project and save it. Then in that project, there is a cost used for labor, material, service or any equipment that can be added there. Actuals is the finalized record of labor, material and equipment. Materials movement is used for tracking the materials. Here itself you can create the installation for the project by clicking the New button and give the details, and save it, which will auto-generate in the Installation tab. Select the created installation record on that page itself. AMC contracts can be created by clicking the New button and give the details, and save it, which will auto-generate in the AMC Contracts tab. Select the created AMC contracts record on that page itself. Service request can be created by clicking the New button and give the details, and save it, which will auto-generate in the Service Requests tab. Select the created record there. If any complaints came in that project, it will be created here, and service visit for the complaints, contribution of the employee in that service visit, feedback of that service, and projects. If any escalation occurs, that could also be created. So, the finance dashboard shows the expenses report, current expenses, current liability, current ratio, cash flow ratio, balance sheet, current asset, return on asset, working capital ratio, profit and loss, debt equity ratio, return on equity, working capital and quick ratio. And every dashboard will have the date formation of changing to this week, this month and this year, to display the dashboard specifically. Here, the journal entries are auto-generated from invoices, payments, and bills. Here we can see the automated ledger, subledgers and trial balance. In the Finance Reports tab, you can see the profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, and the GST report. They can all be downloaded in CSV format. In the expenses here, you can add company expenses by providing the details, and for the employee expenses, add by giving details, and it will be reflected once the payroll process is in progress. In the bank reconciliation, the bank statement will be uploaded and checked with the journal entries, ledger, etc. The HRM dashboard displays the total employees, payslip count, payroll generated, leave applications for all employees, pay slips report, employees by joining date, active employees, CTC report and leave master available leave types. And in the employees, it displays the employees, and if needed, click New and add the employee details, designation and departments. In the leave management, the leaves, leave applications and leave allocations were managed. Under time management, the My Time sheet is for tracking the work hours of employees in a project, and attendance can be overviewed here, and daily attendance can also be viewed. In payroll, the payroll can be generated for the employee on a monthly cycle, and it can be viewed in history, and reports can also be generated. And you can add the company policies as shift, overtime, permission, late arrival, early departure, documents and remote work. In the compensation, you can add the new compensation for employees. And payslips are auto-generated after the payroll process is done. In the inventory application, the dashboard shows the stock on hand, low and stock out, overstocking, pending stocks, consumption and usage of the stocks, stock movement summary, stock adjustment, warehouse/location utilizations, pending stock issues, pending stock and stock adjustments. And here also we can see the products. Why? Because for the stocks checking and adjustments. In stocks, here we can see the stock movements, stock balance, stock adjustment, we can transfer the stock from location to location, and lot and serials. By clicking the operations, if any stock issue occurred, we can give in that, stock return, stock adjustment and cycle count. And in the location, add a location like floor, place like that to know where the stock is. The procurement management dashboard shows the total purchase orders, bill amount, total bills, purchase request count, GRN report, product list, low stock alert report, overdue bills, and outstanding bills. So, the flow will be: by clicking the products, it will display the list of products, and by clicking New, you can give the details of the products and save them. By clicking the vendor, it shows all vendors, and clicking the New option provides the vendor details like contact, shipping info, GST number and saves them. The Purchase Request tab is used to make a purchase request to the vendors, give the details, select the product and save it. The RFQ is the request for quotation. Here, select the purchase request, vendor, product and needed quantity. In the vendor quote, the vendor's quotation will be recorded for comparison if there are many vendors. And in the quote comparison, select the quote comparison and RFQ, it shows the vendor's quote and select which one is less costly and click Create PO, the purchase order will be created automatically. By clicking the purchase order, it shows the list of past purchase orders, and by clicking New, the name will be auto-generated, select the vendor, and by clicking the Add row, select the products, then save it. Purchase order details. After receiving the products from the vendor, select the record type in the list, by clicking GRN, select the location. If any expense occurred, add a row, if not, just select Save and Complete. On the right side, there is a button to generate a bill. You can easily generate the bill in the purchase order itself. Or else, in the Bills tab, you can give the details of the bill, it will be auto-generated to the journal entries. If any debit occur, you can record the debit notes also.